As the IFP, we approach this debate on Budget Vote 6 with the seriousness it deserves, recognizing the pivotal role international relations play in advancing South Africa's national interests. We acknowledge the department's tabled Strategic Plan 2025-2030, Annual Performance Plan 2025-2026, and the budget allocation of 7.1 billion. As the IFP, we view this not merely as a financial appropriation, but as a vital diplomatic tool to safeguard our sovereignty, promote South Africa's national interests, and drive inclusive development across borders. In this ever-evolving geopolitical climate, our foreign policy must be pragmatic, principled, and people-centered. The IFP welcomes the department's alignment with the Government of National Unity's Medium-Term Development Plan and the National Development Plan 2030. We reaffirm our support for a foreign policy based on multilateralism, diplomacy, and an ethical international order. With limited fiscal space, we reiterate the need to scale down the number of foreign missions and prioritize those aligned with South Africa's strategic economic interests. Missions that do not yield clear benefits, particularly in trade and investment, should be reassessed. Our missions abroad must actively drive economic diplomacy and secure stronger bilateral and multilateral partnerships that translate into jobs and growth at home. Peace missions must be grounded in budgetary reality and national interests. South Africa has long prided itself on its commitment to peace on the continent and beyond. However, our peacekeeping efforts must be guided by realistic mandates and clearly defined outcomes. Too often we extend our foreign ambitions without the requisite budgetary support. The IFP calls for a more focused and more effective approach to peace missions, where diplomacy is paired with clear political will and long-term sustainability. As conflicts intensify globally, from Eastern Europe to the Middle East, the IFP supports South Africa's non-aligned position, but non-alignment must never mean silence in the face of human suffering. We urge DIRCO to stand firm on the two-state solution in the Israel-Palestine conflict, grounded in international law, and to unequivocally condemn all forms of violence against civilians. South Africa's moral voice must not waver, but it must also be balanced with a commitment to constructive engagement and peace building. It is time to realign South Africa's foreign policy with the domestic priorities of our people, particularly youth employment, energy partnerships, and technology transfer. We must also rebuild our credibility in multilateral forums, ensuring that our votes and statements reflect constitutional values, human rights, and global equity. In conclusion, Honorable House Chairperson, the IFP supports Budget Vote 6. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Member. The next speaker is the Honorable